Welcome back to our YouTube video. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Today, what are we doing today? What are we doing?
Getting another bike.
What we've got to do first is the most important thing of all time. I want to make a TikTok, so we're going to make a TikTok. And you're going to see the behind the scenes of the TikTok. Just close your eyes. Close. Close your eyes. Close. Achoo. Achoo. Oh my goodness. Good morning, babe. Okay, so we're on our way and it is a 2-hour drive. Is it 2-hour drive?
Yep.
2-hour drive. 1 hour 53 minutes left. Yeah, where are we going? Like what sort of area are we going to?
Leicester.
Leicester. You know Leicester? Is that the Leicestershire? It looks like it says Leicestershire.
It's about L-I-C.
No, L-E-I-C.
Oh, yeah.
Because you know the cheese? Like Leicester cheese? I kept calling it Red Leicester.
Oh, no, it's
Not with it.
I haven't sat on this yet.
This is nice.
You've sat on my bike before. Oh, it's a really nice position, isn't it?
Yeah. So the bike never started and we checked inside the tank and it was horrible fuel. It smelled so bad. So we decided that we were going to drain it to see if like that was an issue. Damn, that's an empty tank that. Next day we popped to Halfords to go get some tools because we didn't have the right one. Okay, now we're back. So the bike doesn't start and why do you think it what are you doing that for? Why do you think it doesn't start?
Are you including the horrendous fuel that was in it?
Yeah, they already know about that. So the bike didn't start, it had absolutely horrendous fuel.
The fuel was the worst I've ever seen. The smell was actually maybe lightheaded. It's flooded on the old stuff. So we're going to pull the plugs.
Flooded?
Yeah, because all the old gunk, then it'll be clean the carbs, which I don't want to do.
Okay, and is that why it burnt our hands?
I don't know, it shouldn't happen, but it was like that petrol was disgusting. But there's brand new lovely E5 in her right now.
Yeah, because yesterday when we were like draining the tank, it got on our hands and then it was hurting. Yeah, and then it went white and crusty and it was like, did we just lose our hands?
These are the new parts that we bought.
We got new parts because we went to Halfords. Also,
Showing your outfit.
I got this new top, which is like, I think is really cute. And I'm wearing Ben's jacket. Like, very dirty shoes. Also, I will say we did try and find pink tools and Halfords did no pink tools. We were there for half an hour waiting in the queue because people were getting their registration plates done and we still didn't see any pink tools. So there's no pink tools. Which I really wish I had a pink toolkit because...
What would you use it on? There it is. Oh, there you go. So that's the old one versus the new one. Look at the oh, look how black it is.
Oh my gosh, so that's the old.
Yes.
Oh wait, why has it made my finger white again?
That's electric. So what would that part be called? This is the second word. So what would this part here be called, considering it's electric? What would a long electric thing be called?
A plug.
Okay, the hint is that green thing over there. Okay, what's that thing called?
An extender.
No, kind of, but more than that.
A pipe.
Like the green.
Yeah, I know, it's an extender. You plug the thing into it and it's
an extension lead, isn't it?
Oh yeah, oh that's
lead.
basically, yeah, I said extender.
No,
you said be careful.
Yeah, there you go. And there should be a spark plug on the end of that. Be careful.
I'm being careful.
Just give it a little wiggle, get past everything.
Right, I did it, I did it.
And there's a spark plug on the end. There it goes.
Wait, can I snap?
Sniff. And yes,
that's horrible. It's flooded, that's what the problem is. So this is what we're looking at in here. So the spark plugs are in these holes here and he's got to get the last spark plug.
How many spark plugs is there?
4.
Why?
Because it's a 4-cylinder.
Oh, well done. I'm actually really proud that you said that. I didn't think you were going to say that. I thought you were going to be like, because it's a Kawasaki. No.
No, it's a 4-cylinder.
Oh,
so there's 4 spark plugs.
Oh, I'm actually very proud of you.
Yeah, you're proud of me?
That's really good.
Thank you. I'm proud of you too.
Right.
For like knowing this.
I want to teach you as I go. What are, you know these in here? What are they? What are the parts I'm actually touching? Very specific to this bike, and that's what I had to tell you about yesterday. Not this bike, but old bikes. Your bike doesn't have them.
My bike doesn't have them.
No.
Okay, can you give me a hint?
Spark.
You're checking for spark.
There's not a lot on that one. Well, I'm waiting to see a little spark jump in between the two
Oh,
gaps.
you're waiting for an actual spark.
Because this is old, it has these instead of injectors.
Okay.
We talked about this yesterday.
Because I thought injectors because, I don't know, I just thought injectors, you know?
Mm-hmm. When you find out, you'll go, oh yeah, that is. Carburetors? Carbs. Oh, wait, no, I searched it up on the internet and it said that incarcerators? No. I don't even know what incarcerated at that point. I should go to prison with my lack of knowledge. Carburetor. High five. Well done. Right. So now all the crappy fuel should be out. In that hole. The second hole. The second hole. Please don't put it on the first hole.
I put it down the second hole. I put it down the second hole.
And just wiggle it in nice and carefully because you don't want to drop it.
It's not going enough to carry. That stupid thing's in the way. Right, there we go. Okay.
Then now you're going to tighten it down. Yep, like that. Yep.
Okay. Are you proud?
I'm very proud so far.
Thank you. Spark plug
Same again.
in.
You're great.
Yeah.
You're doing very well.
Thank you. Spark plug going in. It's going in to this hole down here.
Yes, it is. Give it a go initially, and then if it doesn't fire, I'll try easy start, because if easy start works, then we know it's getting spark. It just needs a carb clean.
Right, that makes sense. I think this bike just looks so cool. Like
It
it
is
actually.
really
So the reason why Ben got a new bike instead of me getting a bike is because he's meant to be taking this round track. I'm going to take his ZX6R round track to have a test ride on it to see if I like it. If I like it, obviously I'm not going to I'm going to feel a bit uncomfortable because it's his bike, but if I like it, then I will get my own one. Wait, don't get electrocuted. Oh.
So it runs on easy start. That's interesting.
Oh, I'm going to pull on the choke.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I can smell that. You said to me. Why does it smell burnt?
Just flushing the old crap through.
What's the diagnosis?
Well, it runs happy on easy start, so that means we're getting spark, which is good. It means, yay, spark's finished.
Yay!
But it's not getting fuel on its own, which means.
But the fuel tank is there.
Yeah, but it means it could be carb issue, which I really don't want to through, no?
Do you think you should try to put that on? That's a stupid question.
I mean, it's still connected, because instead of it being here, it would just be there.
And you said about compression. Where does it get compression?
No, that's.
But people online told me I was saying the wrong name because I kept saying.
People are going to call it.
I said it was impact, and they were like, "It's not an impact. It's an impact driver."
To me.
Well, so it is an impact.
To me, it's an impact. I just call it an impizzy.
So the carburetors. Is that the carburetor
These are all the carburetors,
cover? And here's the carburetor. Right, okay. So, well, do you want me to look at it? Because I might have, from my eye perspective,
bowls, but they're just tucked down in there.
disgustingness. Look at that. What is that? Is that fuel?
That's that horrible fuel.
Ew, so disgusting. Also, 980 subscribers, and so that's really cool. 980.
Wow.
It's so crazy.
It's enough, isn't it?
So yeah, that's so cool.
Come off now.
See this thing? Stang should be pink. If it wasn't for my expertise.
And
Snap a whack. Can I give them a whack? Whack. Whack. Am I whacking it properly?
apparently so.
Well done.
You still pulling on that?
Yeah, I am pulling.
I think it's going to be the like the main pilot things are going to be blocked. I don't want to do that.
Huh.
I want to try carbs because it's.
I have a crazy idea. What
Just
if
makes
you don't want to try it and turn the tank around?
Do you like really want to do that?
No, I'm just like, what if it's something, I don't know. I don't know, but I'm just like, well, what if it doesn't like getting fuel from the tank sitting that way? What if it wants fuel from the tank? You're actually...
There you go. Tank's round the right way just for you.
Right, okay.
Did it work?
Okay, so we had to go to Waitrose, but we're back. Now, next bit of the video.
Carbs are free. They're free girlies.
Carbs are free.
Yeah.
Free girlies.
This one's done, so this one should be brand new now. It'll be tight, so you've got to be very careful.
I'm pushing.
Pushing and twisting. Please do not strip it. Like that.
It's in. I'm pushing.
Ah, nice one. Now just twist. And then just make sure you don't actually, catch
I'm doing it.
So just keep twisting.
I'm doing it. Right. I did it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
that's good. This one drop off in front of my thing. That one good? Or did you slip? In the black hole. Ooh, nice one. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Okay, it's in. Ready? Are you sure my finger's okay? Ready? Oh, like marzipan.
Take the screw off of me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I've got the screw. Why does that smell like marzipan?
Ooh, okay.
It's green.
No, it's just the actual thing itself. Look, the petrol is back there. Right. Real quick.
I was just sniffing that.
Could you... What's up?
Where do you need me? Where do you need me?
You're very soon you'll be putting it back in.
I've got the carb cleaner in my hand with the screw. It was pointing at me then, on my face.
You take that.
Put the blue rag down. It's really...
An out single strand goes through that.
Single strand.
Through that hole. Yep.
Wait, I wanna.
You'll be able to see anything
There's no
through it,
hole. Just to try to focus.
Yeah, no chance.
It did focus.
Then
There's
you just
no
gotta
hole.
Try and work. Yeah, that goes nice. Yep. Then give it a blow, that proper good hard blow through the middle of it. And then
Tiny.
yeah, like it's so
it
small.
is so small. I never thought I'd be putting motorcycle parts in my mouth today.
Good though, isn't it? And it's magnetic for it.
Oh, where's the cap? Do you need the cap?
What cap?
The cap for the car?
Not initially. See if it's going to fire up first.
Here is the cap. I was going to make a joke about carp, it's wet.
Oh, really? You were
It's
going to make a
immense-
fish joke
yeah.
because you thought.
I thought it was carp. But then I remember carburetor. This might be a part 1 and part 2. Where's the carb seals?
That was closer. That was closer.
Where's the carb seals?
Carb seals.
Yeah. It just says if it's not sealed, there'll be a massive air leak and it won't pull the fuel.
It could be that. I can check that in a minute. Really, really small feeling in my mind.
What?
Which would be, it would be exactly something that would happen. That would happen, you know. Because you know when you said, oh, maybe it wants the tank round this way. Well, and then you said about the hoses being kinked. It being twisted around that way, in theory they would have been kinked. I've just twisted it around there, tried it again, and instead of it went and it was trying. And I'm just sitting here wondering, I wonder if it was kinked, and I wonder if it had a bit more power and there was a bit more fuel going in, if this whole time it just wants the tank round that way.
So my silly idea.
You never know. I don't.
So we used a lot of ChatGPT to get to this next point because it still wasn't starting, and then it basically like told us to go through and check everything to see if there's an air leak, and then to see if the spark plugs were flooded again.
The what?
They're wet. Why that? Oh my god.
But it's running.
Do you think that
Will it tick over? Will it tick over?
Wait, there's no, you're not playing the
That's
show.
only running on like 3 or maybe even 2, but it is running.
The intermittent ignition issue, sometimes on this wire.
Sorry, just hang on, I'm just taking a minute. On, what do we say, 3 and 4?
Yeah, so it was running on 3 cylinders and then 2 cylinders. So we decided to take them apart and test each one from like coil A to coil B. We basically did what ChatGPT told us to do. And then we realized this was just going around in complete circles and we were so confused. Right. So you're screwing it back on. So what are we doing now?
Running out of power again.
So it was starting before, and now it's the exact same, and it's not. Is that because of the power? Or? So where it's at right now is cylinder number 3 has a fuel delivery problem. So, yeah, that's that. That's a lot better than earlier. That's a steady stream. So it's getting fuel. So the cylinders 3 HT lead to the coil B, yeah?
Yes.
Just got changed and then was tested against the frame and there was a spark. So now it's going to try and run, and if it fires, then we're fine.
Oh yeah. If it runs, then good.
And if it doesn't, then there's a fuel delivery issue.
Yeah. Although I'm still unsure on cylinder 4.
What is that clanking noise?
Well, the clicking is just from that.
No,
and
the
stuff
clank.
and stuff, but there was one random clank on there.
So we didn't finish it this day. I ended up getting ill and then Ben had to work on it himself. This literally took us from around lunchtime to 6:30. Ben then decided that he wanted to have another go at cleaning the pilot jets.
Sound line? Oh yeah!
Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, world.
Where are you going?
World. It's okay. Thank you for the applause. Thank you. Oh, oh, God, I'm famous now.
What did you do?
Oh, what did I do? Oh, so this 1995 ZX6R. No, I did.
What?
I turned this piece of shit into something that goes.
Yeah, but what did you do differently from what we did yesterday? It's randomly started.
No, I just cleaned out the carbs.
You cleaned out the carbs again.
Cleaned out the carbs again, and it must have been improved. Let's put it back together and